Hello Mzansi, welcome back to Us Hlubi with Pro. I hope you stay, I hope you fall in love, and I hope you definitely hit that subscribe button. Yo, I have any drama with Hlubi Shema. So Hlubi broke up with beloved girlfriend yakhe lekunguye phela Asima, guys mangolwane. They've been dating for maybe a year or a year and a half, I'm not sure. But bathi mabahlukana guys, akuzange kuphele ngisho neliviki. Guy was already in a relationship with this new girl called Usia. Guys already are making videos, vlogs, pranks. Guys, yathi girl, it's like every girl lofika empilweni yakhe uba khona nje ukuthi nato khona creator i-content, because ukuthi ngaphandle kwentombi i-content yakhe guys angeke ize ibe anefire ngale ndlela. So girl ubona ngazuthi vele yena bamthanda uSiya guys, uhappy, excited. So uma guy uyisa ugirl eParis guys bayolokha guys amagama abo laphana kuleyana into yaseParis guys. So guys abantu abaningi they don't even trust ukuthi bayathandana vele baku-relationship. Maybe the girl uyamthanda kuGhostlubi, yes, but they don't believe ukuthi Ghostlubi is actually loves the girl. They think ngisho ukuthi umfuna ngoba ufuna and the content, because they go to Ghostlubi would do anything for a content, like literally anything for i-content, even if it means ukuthi kumele adlale ngama-feelings ebantu tokwenda lokho ukuze yena ende imali. Siyakhumbula ukuthi Sima guys ukwamfenthi senda ngathi umthengele imoto kani abe kuyi-prank guys, kanti Sima wakhipha amafayile, wakhipha tigaxa ukuthi hayibo kuleya relationship bekufuna ahlale ngenda ama-prank, even if ngafili right, funa sihlale senda ama-video. Even with the new girl siyabona guys badrop i-video every single day, or after 2 days i-video, after 2 days i-video. But anyway, asibajaji, please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Goodbye.